Rattrap Productions, we teach you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you the specifics regarding how to properly wire in a light switch. All a switch does is it interrupts current. So right now it's connecting the current. On the off position, it's interrupting current. So we're not minding ourselves with the white wire or the ground wire. We're going to concern ourselves primarily with the black wire. Okay. So I have my Romex that comes in from the wall, and I want it to continue to a light. Okay? I want to switch in between that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pigtail both of these blacks, because the black is the power, and the power is what I want to interrupt. This has no bearing on this switch, neither does this. Okay? So actually I'm going to take these two, I'm going to connect them mechanically. I'm going to take these two, I'm going to connect them mechanically with wire nuts. And it's these two that I'm going to pigtail and I'm going to put on here. Okay? Because it's the black or the power that's going to need to be interrupted with this switch. Once the power is interrupted, boom, the light, which is down here, will go off. When I turn it back on, it connects these two and the light turns on. I'm going to pigtail this one. Boom. Connect it. Okay. I'm going to pigtail this one. Connect it as well. Okay. So far that's what it's looking like. All right. I'm going to take these two, both of these grounds, I'm going to pigtail, or I'm going to mechanically connect them. Okay. I'm going to take these two, mechanically connect them. Okay, so I have the black connected as if it's a single wire. Same with this, same with white, same with ground. The only difference is besides these, I'm adding a switch that interrupts the current between this point and this point. That's all I'm adding, and that is how a switch works. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to wire in a single pole, single throw switch.